Hey, good morning, everybody. And to those of you that are participating in the 21-day purification program, welcome to day one. So excited to have so many people returning to do this for their fourth, fifth, sixth time. We also have some new people joining us as well. For those that are joining us, welcome to this. We hope that you find a lot of benefit as well as support through this process. Please be sure to join the Facebook group if you have not already, where there are some real all-stars in there that are very active each purification period, answering questions, sharing information, sharing recipes. It's a really good time to feel supported and a really good place to be. Also, if you've got any questions for me specifically and I don't know you, please don't hesitate to reach out to me directly via my email that'll be linked in this video as well. So just want to thank you all and welcome you to that process. Now, you might have heard that for everybody that signed up for the purification program, you got entered into a drawing. For those of you that referred friends from outside of the office and bought additional kits, not only did you get a discount on those additional kits, but you also got extra names, extra entries into the drawing as well. So for each one of you that purchased a kit directly from us, you got one entry. For those of you that referred people for their first time doing the purification, you got 4 extra entries. So several of you have your name in there a lot of times. So let's talk about what these entries are for. These entries are to win our extra detoxing basket. And so excited for whoever gets to win this to have some other fun goodies. One of the things that's in there is some Epsom salts for some Epsom salt soap. The body needs magnesium. It's one of the most common mineral deficiencies that we have that affects our blood pressure and the smooth muscle in our body. This is a great way not only to relax, but also you may have some detoxing benefits as well. With the snow outside right now and as cold as it is, that'll definitely be something that sounds inviting as well. I also have a full kit for the cacao tea and the raw cacao, as well as the tea strainer in here. So if you're looking for a good coffee substitute, cacao tea is excellent. The only thing you don't have in here is the brain octane oil or the coconut oil. Both are easily found. Brain octane in our office, coconut oil at the grocery store. So if you're looking for a good recipe for this, check out the video that I shot regarding the coffee substitute cacao tea. Also have some neat Health Together swag, a t-shirt in here. Have a Kroger gift card to help support your journey, so you can buy healthy fruits and vegetables. Also added some pink Himalayan salt. The most common salt people use, table salt, is just sodium chloride. And although not many people are really sensitive to sodium as we once thought in relation to their blood pressure, just regular table salt, sodium chloride, not very healthy for us. Whereas this pink Himalayan salt has a ton of extra minerals in it. A couple minerals together are what make a salt, and so it's got a lot of health benefits in adding trace minerals to our diet. You can feel confident in seasoning your food with this, being something that's actually really healthy for you as well. Also added in some blue blocking glasses. If you're wondering what this is all about, you can check out the video link I made about these glasses. I absolutely love them. One of the biggest benefits most people have from the purification process is improved sleep and improved energy. This is just another add on top of that as well. So if you got questions about that, check that out, available on Amazon. Last thing is I added 2 of my favorite detoxing supplements. One is Bulletproof Glutathione Force. Glutathione is your body's super antioxidant, way more powerful than vitamin C. Your body makes it so it's not something you want to take all the time, but at a time that you're going through a health expression or you need to do some extra detoxing, like with the purification, this has been known to help eliminate free radicals, to help repair DNA, something excellent to do all the way through the purification program, $60 value here. And then coconut charcoal. Activated coconut charcoal is a great way to bind toxins from the foods that we eat. So if you have plans to go out to eat during the purification and you don't want to fully go off the rails with that, take 2 of these before, about a half hour to an hour before you eat dinner out, where you can't know the exact quality of the food you're eating. This helps to bind any toxins that might be in there. The one caveat with that is do not take this around the same time as supplements or especially medications. It's so good at binding that if you've got an important medication you need to take, this will bind it and you won't have the same effective of that, so make sure you're not taking that around the same time as the medication. You'll want to do it 2 hours before taking anything else. Another great benefit of this is if you're doing intermittent fasting, and the cacao tea and the recipe that I recommended for cacao tea helps you to extend your fast because of the fats that are in there. This is something you can take first thing in the morning, again, as your body's metabolizing and mobilizing toxins to release. If you could take this on an empty stomach in the morning with the cacao tea, no other supplements or medication, this can help the bind toxins, can be a nice rhythm and routine to get into as well. If you got questions about that, don't be afraid to reach out and ask me directly. So that's what's in the basket. Super excited for who gets to win this. So now, on to the drawing. All right, so got a lot of names here in the basket, so we'll randomly draw out a name here to see who wins this excellent basket of extra detoxing goodies. Thank you everybody for participating, and I hope whoever wins this enjoys. So the name out of the basket is, what do we have here? All right, Jim H., one of our real all-stars, done the purification with us a ton. You'll definitely see him in the Facebook group as well. Jim, couldn't be more excited for you to win these goodies. We'll make sure to get that to you ASAP so you can get that started as part of your purification process. So thanks everybody for participating. We look forward to doing this on future purifications as well. You can look for us to be doing a purification and to really be promoting the purification process every August and starting next year every January. So we'll do that as a rhythm as well to make sure people are starting off their year right and ending their summer with all those fresh fruits and vegetables and get prepared for the fall. So thanks everybody. Look forward to helping you along this journey. And again, please feel free. Don't be afraid to reach out if you've got any questions along the way, and make sure you're doing it right. All right, guys, have a great day.